In the Describe Image task for PTE Academic, it's crucial to focus on the details and convey your observations effectively. For South Asian students, particularly Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Sri Lankans, and Nepalese, it's important to use culturally relevant phrases that resonate with your audience. Instead of saying "in front of me," try phrases like "the image displays" or "the visual illustrates." Highlight key elements such as colors, shapes, and actions without relying on generic terms like informative or beautiful picture. For instance, you could say, "This image showcases a vibrant market scene bustling with activity, where vendors display an array of colorful fruits and vegetables." Emphasizing the dynamic nature of the scene adds depth to your description. Remember to maintain a steady pace, articulate your words clearly, and ensure your pronunciation is precise. Engaging with the image in this way not only enhances your fluency, but also demonstrates your ability to analyze and describe effectively, which is essential for achieving a high score in the PTE academic exam.